Now then, I'm at Loweswater today with my friend George and his 2 dogs. We were just going to come for a walk, but I had a couple of rods in the boot, so I thought I'd bring them. I've got 1 pike set up, 1 perch set up. Hopefully going to quickly snag a few perch at the start, then maybe move on and try catch a big pike. Some really beautiful scenery today, really nice weather for it. Looking forward to getting started. Watch this, first cast. I'm catching one, I reckon. Right alongside will be where they hide. Oh, I had a bite right at the side. Either that or it was a rock, I didn't really see. Fish! Fish on! Oh, it's off! Oh, it's off. Should have had the net ready. Fish. Oh no, it's gone. Oh no, it isn't. Yes! Come on! So the first fish of the day is a beautiful Loweswater perch. Did lose a slightly bigger one right before, but we've only been at this spot for 5 minutes. And I can already tell there's going to be a few more coming out. Just switched over to the Lure Boy micro jig. This is going to be my main sort of perch thing for the day. I was using the spinner, but doesn't look like there's going to be many trout today, so hopefully we'll be able to get more perch on this. Right, we've got the trusty Lure Boy micro jig on in white, so if there's perch in here, well, I know there's perch here, so this is going to give me a better chance than that spinner. Thank you. Fish on. I knew it wouldn't take long. Bit bigger than the last one as well. Oh, he's fighting, he's not ready yet. Come on. This is quite big, isn't it? Perch number 2.
Beauty.
Much bigger fish. It's not taking very long to come, but they're really going to start coming in now. Thank you. So when you're fishing with these, you want to cast out, let it sink to the bottom, and just slowly tap it in like this. Like really slowly, and just tap.
No.
Fish.
Oh. She's keen.
So that's another perch. I'm not even going to get my phone out for this one, I don't think, just because it's a similar size. Again on the white Lure Boy jig. Look at that for some scenery. Probably not. Oh, what? I've got another one! What? What? My rod just touched into the ground while I was unhooking that fish. Oh my days, I've never seen that in my life. I just put my rod down, lifted it back up, and look.
Fastest catch in the world.
Oh my days. Right, he's on his way. That's just ridiculous, isn't it?
That was like 5 seconds.
right along the edge. So today we're pike and perch fishing, as I've already said, but got a couple of perch. I would really love a big pike today. Oi, now, come on. So this margin gets so deep so fast, it could just be the perfect place for a pike to be hiding. Can't believe that perch then when I just dropped my rod. That's never happened to me before.
Has it not?
No.
It was fucking mad. I didn't even see that other little one.
No, I didn't. So I picked the rod up. Fish.
Oh, nice.
It's another little perch. Again, beautiful fish from a beautiful location. Quick unhook. There you go. I'm convinced that this little stretch here is home to an absolute monster. I'm not sure what it's going to be yet, if it's going to be a pike or a perch, but I'm going to try either because I've really just got that feeling about it. Fish on. It's not the monster I was hoping for. It might have even come off. Tiny little perch. Calm down, calm down. Oh, I had a big bite then. I just had a massive bite. Oh, I've got one. Fish on. It's not the one that just bit it, but it's a tiny little perch. I had a huge knock then. Currently being guided by the local farmer to a secret little waterfall spot. Probably not going to be any fish in here, but we're going to drop the micro jigging anyway, but more for the scenery. Just look at this. Look at this for a mushroom. It's clearly been nibbled at something. If anyone knows what it is, let me know.
If you get a fish up here, I'll give you a year's supply of milk.
Yeah, supply of milk. I thought you were going to say beef then. About to run home for my fly rod. We've just hiked up to this beautiful little waterfall and mountain stream. Wish I had my fly rod because there are some small fish in here, but just going to see if we can make anything happen with the micro jig, I think. Look at that for a nice waterfall. Walking up to the next part of the waterfall. Plenty more little pools to go at, but I think even this jig's too big. Look at this for a spot. The local tour guide's well and truly pulled out the bag here. We're way up in the middle of nowhere. I'm halfway up a waterfall. I've been fishing these pools up, but I'm going to pack that in, head back down to the lake and try and catch a couple more perch and then spend an hour focusing on trying to catch a pike.
So this stuff down here is called wood sorrel. It looks like clover and it tastes of apples. You can actually eat it. When you get into the sap, you need to chew it a bit and it tastes like apples. It's quite refreshing.
That really does taste like apples.
It does, doesn't it?
You should all definitely give that a go. Proper like apples, I can't believe it.
There's loads of it.
Next on the menu, we got some wild blackberries. Right, we're back here. First cast after the walk. Couple more perch, then I'll try focus on the pike. Fish on. Here we have the smallest perch of the day. Off he goes, straight after the walk.
I don't know why I did that.
I'm gonna have a quick go in here.
Get on that log. No way.
Did you see that? Did you see that? Come on. They just must use it for shelter. I can't believe that actually worked though. On the micro jig, lure boy micro jig. Another lovely perch from right underneath that tree. Oh. Can't believe that actually worked. So we've just had the ingenious idea to climb out over those trees after we caught that, but that's going to come in another video. I'll make a total new video of being up in the trees. And we did actually catch fish and it was very precarious. So I'll leave the link to that video in the comments below. But for the rest of this video, we're going to pick up one, maybe two more perch. And the big pike setup's coming out as it gets dark. What? Look how high he is up there.
Now then, Mara.
I'm not sure I can even see you that high. So there was no more fish after that, but I'll give you a little insight into the next video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it, but I'll show you just one, maybe just a little bit of action of what we got up to in that tree. And I'm going to have a look for some pike lures. Yeah. Should we go up? This could get dodgy. About to fish off this branch. Was that hard or not?
Fairly. Do you want me to pass the rod to me?
Yes, please. This is harder than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, it's like this one.
This one underneath me looks so loose. Oh, I'm actually straddling this now. Oh, careful, careful. I'm straddling this log over a lake in the middle of nowhere in the Western Lake District. So far from a road and we're up a tree fishing off it. Oh, I had a nibble. Fish! First drop off the tree. Oh no.
Yeah, too fair.
There you go. First tree perch. And we've got another one.
Have you got another?
There's people walking past here must be like, whoa, what on earth's going on here?
No. Girl.
Have one drop.
I'll have one drop. But I can't unhook it.
I know, I'll do it. So drop it right down into the middle there.
You need 2 hands, don't you?
Be careful, watch those branches as well. Hold on, I'll make it the right length for you.
Nice.
So you can just lower it down. Just lower that down and into, hold on, watch that branch there. Lower it down into the middle. No, wait for it to tap.
It's not really comfortable fishing position.
It doesn't look it. Bounce it around a bit. Oh, he's stuck. Oh, you've got one.
I've got one.
Bring it up. That's a big one.
Which way, man?
Just bring it up straight up. Bring it up to me. Hey.
Wait.
Oh, let a bit more line out. Look what he's just caught. Is that your first fish of the day?
First fish at day. Proper
This is
job.
proper lake district fishing, isn't it?
Up a tree.
That's George's first pet. Ah! Look at this mushroom. Look how cool that is. If anyone knows what it is, again, let me know in the comments. This apparently is a puffball kind of mushroom, is it?
Yeah,
Or
fungi.
fungi. Even more. Look at that. What happened then? That perch just jumped so high. Did you see how high that perch jumped? That was crazy. But yeah, we've got another. As I say, can't sing the praises of these jigs high enough. Fish. This is just crazy. Look at the colours on that. Beautiful, beautiful fish. On the way back now, no pike, but I ended up catching a couple more perch just because you can't not when they're around and they're biting. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll leave the link below when I finally get round to editing the tree video, so catch you down the road.